Okay, diapers. Good to take few diapers. Clean this mess. Now let's see what this process, how it's going here. Oh, good. I don't know if you can see that, but process is going over here. You can see like a round grease when we started, and this one compartment we're supposed to do. This is what business I'm doing right now. So buffalo wings. Yeah, this is my truck, around 48 feet vacuum truck. Here is this kind of business. Wells Fargo over there, you can find Venice over there. We can see American flag, I think. Oh, there is some kind of business I cannot see. Yeah, there is hotel, I think. Yeah, so Albert Lee, yeah, more over there, it's far away. I don't know if you can see Burlington here. World Market over there is far away. I'm going to turn on like that. Starbucks, yeah, Petco, yeah. Here is area around. This is my Kenworth, my babe. Yeah. This is my truck. This is me. Yeah, I'm doing this job right now. My trailer 148, truck 153. Oil level is good. You can see it. Yeah. Here, oil level. Good. Perfect. Okay. And if you have a few minutes, you can wait. Sit here. Where is this compartment hole, and you can just wait, you know. When my truck starts to shake like this, it means it's full. But if your tanker is full, your truck tanker is full, it's not going to shake because there is air not going to come through this line. Why it's shaking? Because air is coming. But if compartment going to be full, air cannot come over there because compartment is full. My tanker is full, trailer tanker or truck tanker. So you're supposed to know about that. That's why sometimes I'm just going over here on the top. I'm just going here on the top. I'm open this lid. I'm going to open this lid after. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm going to open this lid and check how much we have inside. After 30 minutes maybe. So you see right now I pull out the pipe and you can see how everything is shaking. Do you see it jumping a truck? Truck is jumping right now. Because air in the system.